Tired of traditional tinsel? Let's make decorations that are merry, bright, and green. Step 1. Grab those plastic bottles lying around. Big ones, small ones, all shapes and sizes. Give them a good clean, then snip, snip, snip. You've got yourself some crafting material. Now for step 2, stack those bottles into a tree shape. You can use a stick in the middle to keep them stable. It's like building with eco-friendly Lego. Voila, your tree is taking shape. Step 3, get those creative juices flowing. Paint the bottles, sprinkle glitter, wrap ribbons and add some lights. Don't hold back on the sparkle. It's your tree. Make it shine. Moving on to step 4, let's craft some unique ornaments. Cut out shapes from bottle parts, paint them and add hooks. Make wreaths, garlands and anything your imagination cooks up. This is where the fun really begins. Finally, step 5, set up your festive space. Place your tree, hang your decorations and invite family and friends over. Watch their faces light up with joy and the spirit of an eco-friendly Christmas. Don't forget to share your plastic bottle creations with us. Use the hashtag #EcoFriendlyChristmas and spread the joy. Merry Christmas, everyone.